Okay, hi, my name is Mallory, and I am doing my uh, slideshow on pit bulls and the stigmas they face and why you shouldn't believe it all. Those are my two lovely pit bulls, Aries and Athena. There are actually several different breeds of pit bulls. They are known as the bully breeds, and they're American Pit Bull Terrier, American Staffordshire, and they are lumped as the vicious breed. So this is what you probably think of when you hear pit bull. You think of something vicious and bad and mean, and I don't think that that's what you should think. So this is a story that you don't hear about all the time. You don't hear about the dogs that are good. You only hear the bad things. They save people all the time. Uh, you just need to maybe educate yourself or educate others around you and see what happens. They're often used as therapy dogs or search dogs or bomb sniffing dogs. They're wonderful dogs. They're naturally good dogs. They are actually one of the highest with the best temperament. They are um, better temperamented than Australian Shepherds, Golden Retrievers, Cocker Spaniels, and other popular breeds. So they're not a vicious dog at all. They're actually really lovable. And like most dogs, pit bulls are just lovers. They want to be loved. Those are my two kids with our pit bull Athena, and they just love cuddling. They're just any other member of our family. They love kids and they're protective of their family. They love to get outside. They smile. They have these great personalities. That's Aries. And he's wonderful. I mean, he just loves to go outside and play and hang out. He's just like any other dog. Uh, they have their own personalities, just like people. Uh, Athena is our crazy, wild, funny dog. That's her with her tongue sticking out. And Aries is our more calm, docile dog. They are huge bed hogs. Pit bulls are huge bed hogs. That is our king size bed, and they take up most of the bed. um, they always sleep stretched out. Uh, they're just hilarious. They love other animals also. We just got two ducks recently, and our pit bulls, both of them are just super, super calm, and they love checking out the ducks, and they just lay there. Uh, Pit bulls are one of the best pets in my opinion, and they smile no matter what kind of silly mess you put them into, and they will sit there and let you dress them up in costumes. It just doesn't matter. They're just amazing dogs. The only thing you should be aware of is they're going to steal your heart, because I have never met a mean pit bull. I absolutely love pit bulls. They have the most soulful eyes, huge smiles, and they will just love you so much. Um, they just want you to treat them with love, and they treat you with love, just like anything else or anyone else. They're cuddly and loving. The bad reputations they have are because bad people had them. It's not their breed at all. It's the people that had them. We love taking our pit bulls out, and people are often curious about them. Uh, Kids and adults, they may be a little scared at first, but our dogs love kisses, and they especially love children and giving kisses. So we let people pet our dogs. They're not mean at all. There are actually more pit bull rescues now. I'd personally love to have a pit bull rescue, but there are places all over where you can find your own pit bull and rescue and love them. Or just, they're full. They're full because people just don't know. They get scared. They don't know. Be an advocate for pit bulls if you can, if you have one, if you've ever had an experience with one. Be an advocate. Show people that there are amazing, happy, and good sides to pit bulls, not just the mean stuff. Um, we have three dogs. Two of them are pit bulls. We saw a puppy in a couple slides before. But they just love playing with each other. They love our huge backyard. They love running around and being dogs. It's not anything to be scared of. They're big, huge babies. That's my fiance, and Athena. And she's a huge baby. She actually wants you to hold her like a baby and just let her cuddle with you because she is so loving. Pit bulls are only dangerous if the people that have them make them dangerous. Our pit bulls are part of our family, and they have a huge place in my heart. It just, I would just recommend getting to know one instead of judging them on how you might see them. So thank you.